How to fix Shopee F00 error. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick troubleshooting step for you to be able to fix this without any problems. But first, I'm going to provide you takeaways. Now avoid canceling orders repeatedly or missing payment deadlines, as this flags account, requiring patience for the system to reset the flag. However, if you found out that this issue is just a bug or glitch that is happening on your phone, all I have to do is to tap and hold on the Shopee application and tap on the eye icon that will redirect you to app info. Scroll down and under usage, tap on storage, and you just need to comply both these options below, like clear data and clear cache. Once you've successfully cleared it, just simply reopen application and try if the issue has already been resolved. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Shopee F00 error.